Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today what I'd like to share with you is an unboxing, if you will, or a haul from Amazon. As y'all know, I've been redoing my craft room little by little, and trying my best to set things up so they can be easily accessible to me. And one of those things is dies. I have a ton of dies. I've watched like a gazillion craft room videos and craft room storage and whatnot videos. And one of the videos that caught my attention was by one of my very good friends, Rosa. She is Rosa's Creative Way right here on YouTube, where she shows us how she manages to store all of her dies that she's accumulated throughout the years. So in chatting with her, she told me that it was an excellent idea to get those magnetic sheets for your die storage. So that's exactly what I've done. And this right here is actually my third or fourth order from Amazon, because oh my gosh, it's like the dies that I have, they're like rabbits. They continue to multiply. They continue to multiply, and it's like I look at a box that I haven't seen before, and I'm like, oh, there's more dies over here. So hence I have to place another order. And so anyways, how I'm doing my dies is through this magnetic sheet that I found at Amazon. And I've gone to several different websites and scrapbook.com and everybody else who does storage systems for crafters, and I could honestly tell you that I found the most cost-effective ones I found on Amazon. And also I also had to look for good quality ones, and ones that are, that once I put my dies in there, that they're not going to fall apart. And of course I wanted to get me some sleeves so that if they fall off of the magnetic sheet, they're still inside a sleeve. So after ordering a couple of different ones and reading all of the gazillion reviews that you get to read, because I read all of the reviews, I landed on these, and I'm going to share these with you, and I will leave you with the affiliate links to these right here in the description area below, so that way you'll know that when you place your order, you're going to get good quality magnetic sheets along with the sleeves. And I love these sleeves. They are awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you what it comes, how it comes. I did place my order for the sheets and the plastic thingamajiggies. And so it arrives in a box like this, and let me tell you, it is heavy. It is a heavy box because obviously these are magnets, and I forgot how many you get. Hopefully it'll tell me right here how many you get per pack. Okay, so these right here are these envelopes that I'm using here. This is the brand that I'm getting. So I read a gazillion reviews on this, and that's how I landed on these particular ones. I'm 100% satisfied with. This is the brand that you get, and so you get 100 of them per pack. And I remember they were not expensive, and I will go ahead and leave you with a screenshot. Let me see if I can get a screenshot of these right up here. That way you'll be able to see. And so I love the fact that you get 100 of them. And like I said, this is my third order. No, this is my second order in these, and it's my third order in the magnets. And so I've gone through two of these already. No, wait, these are my third order. Oh my gosh, I have that many dies. Okay, yeah, so this is my third order in this. Gosh, I can't believe I have that many dies. But anywho, let's go ahead and put that to the side. And basically how the bag comes, as you can see, it's like so. It comes with a little, at the opening, you have like a little thing here that you can fold over if you wish. And that's exactly what I do here when I put my dies away. I'll go ahead and fold this over like so. And I really, really like these sheets, and I want to show you how this works. See, I'm holding this vertically like so, and nothing is falling off, okay? And in the reviews I read that some people were saying, oh, it doesn't work, they don't work, blah blah blah, this and that. And so one of the reviewers said, look, the magnet is on one side, not on the other one. So if you were to flip it over to the shiny side, guess what? The shiny side, they don't hold that well, okay, because this is not the magnetic side. The magnetic side is actually the matte side, the non-shiny side. This is the magnet side. And so we put the die on there, and it stays, and I'm extremely happy with these magnetic sheets. And yeah, let me put it back on here on the sleeve. And what I've done here, because a lot of these dies that are my loose dies, these are from those Spellbinders large and small die kits, and sometimes from the Spellbinders card making kits. You know how you get your dies, but you only get them, ooh, that was my husband sneezing, you only get them in a bag, in one of those little rip away bags. And so I needed a system to organize my dies. I'm so thankful for those ladies who shared these ideas with us. And as you can see over here, what I did was I just added that little label that they give you in when you get those dies. That way, whenever I work with these again, I'm able to share with you what collection it came from, etc. So that's these bags right here. Let me go ahead and put this one back in here, and I'm very happy with these bags. And I guess you could go ahead and also use them for your silicone stamps. Let me show you, get this out of the way, let me show you the magnets. So the magnets are, this is the brand that I get, or I guess that's the store, and yes, they are made in Ohio. They come like this, okay, and they are heavy, and like I said, I love them. The magnetic side is going to be the matte side. The shiny side is not going to be the magnetic side, just so y'all know. And oh, the size, you're going to want to know the size. So this magnetic sheet measures approximately 5 by 7, okay, and the bags measure 7.5 by 5.5 approximately, just a little bit over 5.5. So if I want to be exact, I would say 5 5/8, but let's just call it 5.5 by 7.5. And so yeah, I'm very happy with these. Like I said, this is my third order going in, and if y'all like, just let me know in the description, in the comment section below, if you'd like to see a new craft room tour from me. And I'm still in the process of putting things together, putting things away in my craft room, going through everything, checking to see what I'm going to donate, what I'm going to give away, and so forth and so on. Please remember to check my affiliate links in the description area right underneath this video, and I will see y'all once again real soon. Bye now.